Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. Good morning from the Florida State Fairgrounds. So today we're checking out the Super Tampa RV show, and it's a special treat for us. We were invited back again this year and we have so much to show you, so stay tuned. The next motor coach we want to look at is the Unity Leisure. We've seen them before with the Murphy bed layout, but this is a different layout and we really love it. We wanted to show it to you. It's two twin beds. You got your bathroom there, closet there, and your galley area there. It's 25 feet in length. There's an optional second bed. Not sure where that is supposed to be. Fresh water is 36 gallons, gray tank 35 gallons, and the black tank is 30 gallons. So let's take a look at the exterior. It's on the Mercedes chassis. It comes with this cool table for outdoor living. Well done, very light. And it's right beneath the awning, so that's perfect. Some storage in there. It goes all the way through to the back. More storage down here. Okay, so that's your generator over there. A little bit more storage over here. Honestly, such a beautiful coach. Beautiful galley. TV's right there. You have overhead storage. Nice deep sink. And the sink cover. 2-burner propane stove. Got some nice storage under there. So I'm assuming that this is the optional bed right here. So in this case, this is probably, yeah, they already have this as the optional bed. So that makes another bed. These seats swivel around, which is really great. Storage up there. Check it out. You have an actual safe. How cool is that? More storage. Control center over here. Some hanging storage. Light switches are over there. So when you're sitting here, you could be sitting and having a meal with your guests. I like this kitchen countertop extension. That's pretty cool. Nice big freezer. Nice big fridge. Microwave. It's always handy in an RV. And so here, oh, this is so cool. Looks like a separate toilet and shower. So this is the shower over here. Really cool with a nice sunroof. Very, very nice. And on this side, the sink with the toilet, which is so cool. So someone can use the bathroom while the other person is using the shower. In the main area, there's a sunroof here, and of course you have the option of having a shade or a screen, and a roof vent there. This bedroom, oh my god, I love these nice cozy beds over here, because if you need to go to the bathroom, you're not going to be waking up your partner. So that's really cool. Hanging storage here. Storage over here. I see how this works. So you could put these. Okay. So you see this? You can actually turn this into a huge, this has got to be bigger than a king size bed. That's pretty amazing. I mean, look at the size of that. And you can keep that bed made up, so you don't have to like break it down and make it up every night. But I really like having the option of having like a big bed, or you have the option of having 2 single beds. That's a really nice design feature. And there's another TV over here. So you can chill watching TV before bed. Yeah, this is definitely a beauty. And as you can see, that's for the air conditioning, but there's no actual air conditioning unit visible on the inside, so that's got to be controlled from the control center. Yeah, I'm definitely in love with this one. I could see myself traveling in this one. It's so beautiful. I got the scoop on the Unity Leisure twin bed configuration, and it's about $220 US.